back. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So today, as you can see from the description down below, we are going to be doing an exclusive sneak peek of the August 2019 Pin Culture Ribbon Ties box. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about Pin Culture before we actually get into opening this and seeing what we got for August 2019. So Pin Culture, you guys, this is probably one of the most unique subscriptions I have seen in the fact that they have so many different options. Literally, there is something for everyone. They have, I believe now, 11 different subscription options, but let me tell you exactly what Pin Culture is. So Pin Culture lets you design a box suited to your hairstyle needs. We deliver bobby pins and hair ties that suit every type of hair color, or get a surprise each month with fun hair accessories. Curated for your style preference. Free shipping with the small, medium, deluxe, wire, ribbon, and surprise boxes. You do pay $1 shipping on the bobby pins only or the hair ties only. You customize your box and with the pins and ties in your hair color. So you can select blonde, brunette, black, and I do believe auburn now. So these surprise boxes start at $12.92 for 5 to 6 hair accessories worth $40. Free shipping is included with that one. Each surprise box is styled according to preferences. All new subscription orders will ship within 3 business days, and then the renewals will ship between the 22nd and 25th of every month. So please order by the 20th to get the current box. And it does ship worldwide, which is awesome. And you can cancel at any time, so that is great. I do have a promo code, so if you guys would like to sign up for any of these subscriptions, you can save 20% off a 3, 6, or 12-month plan using the code SouthernMom19. I will put a link in that promo code down below. This is the ribbon ties box. So this is gonna have some ribbon ties, and I love, they're always so cute. So this is a kind of a sneak peek because this is early, because normally, as I read, it does not ship out until the 22nd or 25th of the month. So I do get this free for review. So thank you so much. I do appreciate that. Again, this is kind of a sneak peek early so you can kind of know what August is gonna have in store. So let's get it open. And in the mailer cute, I've seen 2 or 3 different ones. They're always so cute. All right, so we have a card, so let me open this. So cute, it's like a marble. And then the promo code, just so you guys know, is good through September 30th. So that is awesome. Oh, and September will be Pin Culture's 2nd anniversary, you guys. And there are going to be, she's saying, a lot of surprises in store. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the sneak peek of the August 2019 Ribbon Ties box. Christina, again, Christina, thank you again so much for sending this to me. I do appreciate it. It is always so cute and fun to open. But she always packages everything so well. It's always wrapped up in the cute little washi tape. So, all right, so you get a card that says thank you. So this is the Ribbon Ties box. It says, I love putting together a coordinating set each month. These ribbon ties are handmade and exclusive to Pin Culture box. This month's box has a retail value of $15. Can't wait to put together next month's box for you, Christina. So she is the curator and owner of Pin Culture. She's super sweet. So thank you again, Christina. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm seeing this and this already looks super cute. So everything is always sent in this cute little pillow box. And the good thing about this is you can use these for storing, which is great, or they're super fun if you just want to throw one of these in your purse, throw one in, you know, your car, keep one in your, you know, on your vanity, in your bathroom. You always know where they're at and they're organized, which is amazing. So that's what I do anyway, is I keep them. But let's get in. It looks like there's lots of fun stuff happening in here. So let's see what we got for August. Oh my gosh, these are so precious. Oh, I'm loving it. All right, so we have a green, just like your standard ribbon tie. And then we have a green, like super, super cute. Oh, that is just so cute. I love that. Then we have a white regular ribbon tie, super cute. But then again, kind of similar with the black, the green, I can't even think. A little like extra fun one, beautiful. And then we have a regular purple ribbon tie box. That's what I'm opening. Ribbon tie right here, so cute. I love ribbon ties so much because they don't pull at your hair. And then we have a fun, pretty purple one. Adorable. Oh, these are cute. Okay. And then we have a regular blue ribbon tie right here. Adorable. And then we actually have two. We have this one that is blue. Super, super cute. And then we have this one that is blue, but this has like gold around the edges. So cute. And then we do have this. Oh, this is precious. This is actually like, almost feels like velvet. It's so cute. This like peach colored, so adorable. I love this. I love this so much. So I will be putting these back into that little pillow box and be storing them. I actually have a ribbon tie in my hair right now from Pin Culture. So I definitely put them to use. Even just getting the bobby pin and hair tie box, you receive like 10 or 15 bobby pins, 10 or 15, say for me, blonde hair ties, and they're the right, like elastic hair ties. They don't have any metal on them, so those don't pull on your hair. So again, there's just something for everyone. She even has a subscription now, like with scrunchies, earrings, things like that. It is so, so awesome, the variety, and it literally something for everyone's budget, everyone's need. She started this box because she has 2 daughters and kind of found a need for, you know, bobby pins and hair ties when her daughters were in dance and different things. And let's face it, if you are a female, you know, regardless of your age, you more than likely use hair ties, bobby pins, something, and those suckers always seem to disappear. So I love that this is super affordable, and every month you get a cute assortment, or even just the simple bobby pins and hair ties that, you know, go with your hair color. You know you're always gonna have them. So let me know what you think down below. Again, I will put the link and that promo code SouthernMom19 to save you 20% off. Again, a 3, 6, or 12-month subscription. And I hope you guys enjoyed and have a wonderful weekend. Bye.